For homeowners in Slidell, comfort and convenience are essential when choosing home features. Windows play a major role not only in ventilation and natural light but also in how easily they can be used on a daily basis. Slider windows, also known as sliding windows, have become a popular choice because of their simple design and smooth operation. Their functionality makes them especially well suited for Slidell residents who want a low-maintenance and user-friendly window solution. One of the main reasons slider windows are so easy to operate is their horizontal sliding design. Unlike windows that open outward or upward, slider windows move along a track from side to side. This eliminates the need for lifting, pushing, or cranking, making them ideal for homeowners of all ages. With a gentle push, the window glides open, allowing for quick and effortless use. This design is particularly beneficial in Slidell homes where ease of access is important. Slider windows are perfect for hard-to-reach areas such as above kitchen counters, sinks, or furniture. Since they do not require extra clearance to open outward or upward, they can be used in tight spaces without any inconvenience. This makes them a practical choice for both small and large rooms. Another advantage is the smooth track system that supports operation. Modern slider windows are built with durable rollers and well-designed tracks that allow the window to glide easily. Even after years of use, high-quality slider windows maintain their smooth movement with minimal effort. For Slidell residents, this means reliable performance without constant adjustments or repairs. Slider windows also offer quick and convenient ventilation. Opening the window partially or fully allows fresh air to enter the home with ease. In Slidell's warm and humid climate, having the ability to quickly improve airflow can make a noticeable difference in comfort. The simple sliding mechanism allows homeowners to adjust ventilation levels instantly based on their needs. Maintenance is another factor that contributes to easy operation. Slider windows have fewer moving parts compared to other window styles, which reduces the likelihood of mechanical issues. With basic care, such as keeping the tracks clean and free of debris, these windows continue to operate smoothly. This low-maintenance design is especially appealing for homeowners who want a hassle-free solution. The user-friendly design of slider windows also makes them a great option for households with children or elderly residents. Because they require minimal force to operate, they are safer and easier to use for individuals with limited strength or mobility. This accessibility adds to the overall convenience and practicality of the window. Durability plays a role in maintaining easy operation over time. Slider windows are often constructed with strong materials such as vinyl or aluminum, which resist warping and damage from humidity. In Slidell's climate, where moisture can affect certain materials, this durability ensures that the window continues to slide smoothly without sticking or misalignment. Another benefit is the ability to clean and maintain the windows with ease. Many slider windows are designed so that the sashes can be removed or tilted for cleaning. This makes it easier to keep both the interior and exterior glass clear without complicated procedures. Clean tracks and glass also contribute to smoother operation and a better overall experience. Proper installation is essential to ensure that slider windows perform as intended. A professionally installed window will be aligned correctly, allowing it to move effortlessly along the track. Poor installation can lead to issues such as sticking or uneven movement, which can affect usability. Working with experienced installers ensures that the window functions smoothly from the start. In addition to their practical benefits, slider windows offer a clean and modern appearance that complements many home styles. Their wide glass panels provide clear views and allow natural light to enter, enhancing both the interior and exterior of the home. In conclusion, slider windows provide easy operation for Slidell residents through their simple design, smooth sliding mechanism, and low-maintenance features. Their accessibility, durability, and convenience make them an ideal choice for homeowners looking to improve both functionality and comfort. With proper installation and basic care, slider windows offer a reliable and user-friendly solution that enhances everyday living.